We got some breaking news, folks, and this is pretty exciting. 20,000 IRS employees just opted out. So what does this really mean for the taxpayers? The IRS is undergoing a massive transformation, and smart taxpayers need to understand exactly what's happening behind the scenes. So let's break it down, what these mass resignations actually mean. First, this isn't just random. There's not a random reduction here. It's a strategic reset of the entire IRS infrastructure. By reducing the headcount, the agency is forcing itself to modernize and upgrade its technological capabilities. Right now, the IRS operates like a dinosaur. People answering phones, manually processing paperwork, and creating massive inefficiencies. These resignations are essentially pushing the agency into the 21st century. Second, contrary to the fear-mongering narratives, fewer employees doesn't mean more tax cheating. In fact, it's the opposite. With advanced technology, the IRS can implement sophisticated fraud detection systems that can catch problems before they even occur. Think about it. Machine learning and AI can scan millions of returns instantly, flagging suspicious activities faster and more accurately than any human workforce could ever be. This means more precise auditing and more efficient tax collection. Third, this reduction forces a complete operational redesign. The IRS will be compelled to invest in automated processing systems, advanced data analytics, artificial intelligence for fraud detection, streamlined digital communication platforms. You know, the IRS is still using a fax machine? A physical machine, folks. The bottom line, taxpayers win. Less bureaucracy, more efficiency, and smarter enforcement. For anyone worried about the potential complications, remember this. Technology always outpaces manual labor. The IRS is being dragged into a more intelligent, responsive system, whether they want to or not. The future of tax administration is digital, folks. It's precise and dramatically more effective. I can't wait to see the changes.